guys, it's Samantha from Mytanfeet and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you what the tour Caño Blanco Nature Sanctuary by boat is like as a day trip from La Fortuna. The Caño Blanco Nature Sanctuary by boat is a day trip from La Fortuna that takes you up to the northern plains with a drive time of around 1.5 hours to the river. We just stopped along the way really short because our guide saw a sloth on the side of the road, so we're gonna go check it out. The Caño Blanco Nature Sanctuary by boat tour is a tour with one main focus: to see as much wildlife as possible. As we did the tour in the afternoon, we had lunch first at a local house along the river very close to where the boat dock was. Lunch was a delicious home-cooked traditional Costa Rican meal cooked by Doña Wendy. As we are doing the afternoon tour, we had lunch first. We just finished a very delicious lunch and now we're about to get on the boat. We're gonna take this boat and go down the river and go look for animals. It'll be probably around an hour and a half on the boat down the river. The actual time on the river during the boat tour was longer, around 2.5 hours. As soon as we got onto the boat, right away our guide pointed out some animals nearby, some birds like aningas and cormorants, and white-faced capuchin monkeys. As this motorized boat doesn't have a roof, it made seeing the animals a lot easier, and we had great weather that day despite some clouds, but it helped to keep it a little bit cooler. After about an hour going down the Rio Frio River, we turned into the Caño Blanco Lagoon, a very special and isolated place where we boated through rich channels and wetlands to experience this magnificent wildlife sanctuary. As this is an exclusive tour, no other tour company operates this same one, so we were the only ones in the river and in the lagoon. As our boat captain turned off the engine, we just sat there, floating in the lush lagoon, listening to all the birds and watching dozens of kingfishers fly around. It was a fantastic afternoon to see animals and especially a lot of cool birds. And that was the Caño Blanco Nature Sanctuary by boat tour. This was a fantastic day trip from La Fortuna, doing kind of a more exclusive type of wildlife watching river safari tour. If you guys are more interested about it, I will leave links in the description box below the video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Samantha from Mytanfeet, and I'll see you guys in the next one.